Let's learn how to crochet this loose ruffle edge. On the edge of any crochet project, start by chaining 3. That counts as 1 double crochet, and then make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Side note, I'm working into the front loops only, but that's totally optional. Make 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Continue in that pattern, making 1 double crochet into one stitch, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, all the way around or all the way to the end of your row. As you can see, it's already starting to ruffle a little bit, and since I worked into the front loop, lets the ruffle start to flail out just a little bit more abruptly. If you're working in the round, round 2 is going to start by slip stitching into the top of your beginning chain 3. Then chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch and in every stitch of the round or row. This row consists of making just 1 single crochet into every stitch available. To finish off this round and start round 3, if you're working in the round, slip stitch into your first single crochet from the beginning of this row. Then you will just repeat row 1 and row 2 by chaining 3 and working 1 double crochet into that same stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and continue all the way around, alternating 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet in every other stitch. You'll repeat row 1 and row 2 until you've reached the desired length of your ruffle. I do recommend that you end on a double crochet round. And for my ruffle, I did 2 repeats of the pattern followed by 1 extra double crochet round.